Green thumbs, welcome. Watering techniques with bamboo slots is a gardening trick that we're revealing today. Keep an eye out as I introduce you to a brand new level of effective and sustainable plant watering. Curved bamboo drip line. To make a continuous drip line throughout your garden beds, use bamboo stalks that are naturally curved. Water will steadily percolate through the nodes, supplying hydration. Bamboo tiered slot system. Set up an elevated planter system with tiers of bamboo slots. Plants have a cascading hydration effect as water flows down the levels. Irrigation of bamboo slot borders. You should surround your garden space with a bamboo slot border. The soil around the slots will gradually absorb the liquid as you water along them. Mulch hydration with bamboo slots. Place bamboo slots around your plants on top of the mulch. When water is applied to bamboo, it will seep through to the soil below, reducing evaporation. Bamboo slot vertical garden. To create a vertical garden, fasten bamboo slots to a vertical structure. All the plants in the lower slots will receive moisture from the top slots trickling water. Hydroponics using bamboo slots. Include bamboo slots in your system. The plant roots hung inside the slots can get nutrient-rich water directly from the slots. Bamboo slot terrarium technique. Adapt the technique for terrariums or indoor planters. The controlled environment helps maintain optimal hydration levels for your plants. Companion planting with bamboo slots. Incorporate bamboo slots wisely with other plants. Plants that enjoy water can gain from the additional hydration the slots offer. Use bamboo slots to provide irrigation for a green roof system. Rainwater can assist irrigate the plants below as it flows through the slots, lowering runoff. Bamboo slot succulent planter. Insert bamboo slots into a shallow pot to make a distinctive succulent planter. This concentrated hydration can assist the shallow roots of succulents. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video.